Hi, I'm Bill Styczynski with Studio21 Architects, and I'm here at a job site, one of our design build projects that's currently in the framing stage. Prior to this, we had to make selections, which included, among other things, plumbing and electrical fixtures. And during that process, many times we get asked, can we as the homeowner purchase these products directly? And the answer to that is really it depends on the trade contractor, the specific trade contractor. Our electrical contractor is fine with that. They'll install whatever you purchase. The plumbing contractor, on the other hand, typically wants to have those products purchased through his supply house, and he orders them. And he will have a slight markup on those. It's typically a reasonable markup. But what happens then is he becomes very responsible for that entire process, from purchasing the right product to having it installed. If you were to purchase it and it was the wrong product, you'd be responsible for possibly paying for a plumber to return to the job site if the product had some missing components, or was broken, or was misordered. So one thing I can share with you is a recent example of where a fiberglass tub came to the job site. It was broken, cracked, and the plumbers that had come there to install that had to come back at another time after the tub had been reordered. This was all the responsibility of the plumbing contractor because he had ordered the product. If you as a homeowner had ordered that same product, you would have the responsibility to reorder it, get everything rescheduled, and probably pay for the plumber's time that was out there to get this installed, when they came for the first time to install it. So my answer to this question is, if you're the responsible party purchasing the product, you're usually the responsible party to pay for and take care of any discrepancies that happen in the process of that product getting to the point of being purchased through this installation. So I hope you found this informative, and if you have any questions that we can use for future Ask the Architect segments, please feel free to contact me, email me, bill@studio21architects.com. And thanks again for listening.